Let's take a moment to walk through your persuasive speech rubric. The persuasive speech is worth 30 points. Here is the breakdown. 5 points for the introduction. Capture the audience's attention. Again, use a quote, a statistic, a rhetorical question. Second item, establish relationship with the audience. Let the listener know that you are speaking to them. That might be as simple as saying, "Have you ever thought about this?" Or, "By a show of hands." Even though we're speaking to people remotely, your words and your nonverbal still can connect them to you as a speaker. Previewed your main points. Be sure and let the listener know the 3 points to follow. And then, very important for persuasive speech, clearly define your purpose. What is being asked of the audience? Make this very direct. Make this very declarative. Okay, this is no longer an informative speech. This is indeed a persuasive speech. So the ask or the purpose statement needs to be, "I urge you to vote for candidate X. I ask you to sign the petition today. Please donate money to this particular cause." Whatever it is you're persuading, be very declarative. Be very open and upfront. That sets the tone for the remainder of your speech. The body of the speech, 10 points. 3 types of evidence used effectively to develop proofs. Okay, now again, this is pathos, mythos, logos, ethos. Make sure that you are using evidence that covers at least 3 of the 4 proofs we've learned in class. Make sure that all content strongly supports the purpose of the speech, okay? Make sure that the evidence is persuasive in nature. Effectively use transitions, that is letting the listener know as you move from point to point. For example, okay, my first point today, and then we move to point 2. Now, wrapping up my first point, let's go to my second concept. Be very clear, very overt. Use numeric references as well, because that is very clean, simple, and easy to understand. And then lastly, within the body, argument free of fallacy. As we learned in past weeks, fallacy is error in reasoning. We do not want to assume anything. We want our persuasion to be well supported with proofs. So make sure that we're not drawing any conclusions, okay? Free of fallacy. Conclusion worth 5 points. Summarize your main points. Tell us the 3 points you just covered. Reiterate the purpose of the speech. Give listeners something to remember. Give them a parting comment, a question, a statistic, a short story, something beyond what you've just discussed. And then, very importantly, in a persuasive speech, ask for the audience's commitment. Repeat that purpose. "I urge you today to vote for candidate X," or "I am handing out forms for you to commit to donating what it is you can afford to such a cause." Be sure and seek their commitment again at the end of the speech. Delivery worth 6 points. Gestures used to enhance speech. Strong use of eye contact. Use vocal variety to express commitment. So much of your persuade ability is within your nonverbal elements. How you speak. How you feel about the topic is how your listener is going to feel about the topic. Poise, posture, use of floor space. Be sure your nonverbals are showing confidence and sincerity. Followed keyword outline and exhibited a sincere commitment to the topic. Please make sure this topic matters to you. You will inherently be persuasive if you care about what you are discussing. And then lastly, time, 4 points. Make sure your speech is within 5 to 6 minutes, okay? Anything short or beyond that window of time will be a 1-point deduction per minute. Okay, so 30 total points possible for your persuasive speech. Thank you.